Mastering measurements, fractions and decimals in real life. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that brings English learning closer to everyday life. We'll explore how fractions and decimals are used in real-life measurements and units. So, get ready to unravel how math and English learning come together. You'll find fractions used in many everyday measurements. For instance, when you're cooking, you might see instructions like, use 1/2 a cup of sugar. Here, 1/2 is a fraction that indicates you should use half of the standard cup measurement. Another example could be carpentry, where measurements are often given in fractions of an inch. Practice saying these fractions in English. For example, 1/2 is pronounced as 1/2, 3/4 as 3/4, and so on. Decimals are equally important in measurements. They're often used in scientific contexts or precise measurements, like the distance in kilometers or the weight on a digital scale. For instance, if you're on a road trip, the GPS might tell you your destination is 6.7 kilometers away. Remember to say these correctly in English. The decimal 6.7 is pronounced as 6.7. The point represents the decimal place. At times, you may need to convert fractions to decimals or vice versa. This is especially common in cooking or construction where a tool might only measure in one format. For example, if a recipe calls for 0.5 cups of flour, but your measuring cup only has fractions, you'd need to know that 0.5 equals 1/2. Pronunciation remains consistent even when you convert. So, 0.5 and 1/2 are both said as 1/2. Now, let's put our learning into practice. Try saying these measurements aloud. 1.25 meters, 1.25 meters. 3/8 inch, 3/8 of an inch. 0.75 liters, 3/4 of a liter or 0.75 liters. Remember, the key to mastering any language skill is consistent practice. And that's a wrap on today's lesson. We hope this video on real-life applications of fractions and decimals in measurements has been helpful. Keep practicing these units and conversions, and soon they'll be second nature to you. Until next time, happy learning!